Hi friend, today I'll be sharing with you how to log in and then how to scan your WhatsApp for API and then how to send messages. Ready? Let me show you live. So first of all, I'll go to the URL. Okay, let me show you the URL. Yeah, here you can see the URL is wapi.ourarea.in. Yeah, I'll be sharing the link in the description also. Meanwhile, I'll start my WhatsApp. Okay, it takes some time to start. Till then, we can log in and do our process. You can see on the top the you can see on the top wapi.ourarea.in. So this is the main URL you have to remember. Okay, yeah, so it is asking for the login. I'll be sharing the login password with you, so don't remember this one. Okay, this is for just testing purpose. Okay, so you are having a different username and password. Yes, so I'll be always save the username and password. Okay, you can see the validity and all the things. Okay, always save the username and password. So here you can see you have to scan your mobile. Let me do one small setting here. In softwares, I had to activate Zoom it. Just give me a minute. Yes, now it is activated. Yeah, so here you can see here is an option of scanning your phone. So click on, so first step is login, second step is to scan your phone. So here you can see like nothing is registered. You can register whatever the mobile you want to register. Okay, you can put some number or so that it is easy for you to remember. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mobile also with me. So before, whenever you are ready, make sure you are ready with your mobile also. So are you ready to scan? Okay, let me see. Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready. So then click on I'm ready. So then it is going to ask you to scan. So click in your mobile WhatsApp web, link a device and then scan it. 1 2 3. I think the scanning is done. Okay, registration successful with WA. But still you can see that. Okay, yeah. Still what you can see here, that creation date is, this is the creation date. Status it is showing active, but still the channel is showing red. So for this, what you have to do is click on start. Okay, so click on start. So here is the start option. So click on start. So and just wait for some time. Started true. So now you can see the started is true. If you want to check, this is the first time only you have to do it. You can click on if you want to stop it anytime, you can click on stop and you can stop it anytime. And to check the status, click on this. So it should show good to go. Oh yes, so it means that it is ready. And anytime if you want to delete the API channel, then click on delete and that number gets deleted. Okay, so now let us fantastic. The first step is login, second step is creating the channel. Okay, great. Now go to send WhatsApp, or you can go to dashboard. Yeah, instead of dashboard, there is an option on the top. You can see send WhatsApp. Click on that. Click on send WhatsApp. So here you have to add the campaign name. So most of the time I recommend you to enter the current date. For example, today is which date? 21. Okay, and then enter your number to send the message. Okay, and then you are going to send what message? Hello Mahesh, how are you? Okay, I'm just selecting and you can see here. Okay, my WhatsApp is still connecting. It will take some time. Okay, it will take some time. Meanwhile, let us do sending. Yeah, we'll do the sending activity. Okay, so hello Mahesh, how are you? This is the okay. Initially I'll show you how to send the message only. How to send the message only. It is going to take some time. So just click on send. You can see campaign submitted successfully. Campaign submitted successfully. Yes, I have got the message. Okay, how you came to know? From my mobile I came to know. And even in message history, you'll also come to know the status, whether it is received or not. Okay, whether it is valid number or non-valid number, non-WhatsApp. So that also you'll come to know about this. Okay, so I'll again click on, I'll just check. Yes, so my WhatsApp is now ready. Okay, here you can see, hello Mahesh, how are you? So you can see from this, like, the message is going. So now let's go for, say, campaign number 2. I'll just say 2 for the time being. Let me enter the mobile number again. This time, instead of only entering what you can say, simple message, now I'm going to do a lot of testing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a big message. I'm going to select a big message from here. Latest technology, something is written here. Okay, unable to copy it. Okay, again copy it. Okay, so now you are copying it and then paste it in the message. Message has been done. You can see the images you can upload maximum is 4 images. Okay, either you can upload from here, or what I recommend is to open the folder and select the images. So you can see, like, I have selected the 4 images and copying and pasting here. I hope you can see the things clearly. Yes, so you can see upload complete. Fantastic, the upload is completed. Now you can browse the video. So I'll go to this video or audio and just drag and drop here. The maximum size is 3 MB and the PDF size is 2 MB. So let me go to the PDF. Here is the PDF. It's less than 1 MB. Less than 1 MB is most recommended. Done. Okay, you can now see campaign name is added, the numbers are added. Let me add one more number. Let me add one more 7432 and 000. Let me add, I can add so many numbers. Okay, but you may not see all the reports here. Okay, but yes, I can see in my mobile. I can see in my mobile. So you can see all the numbers you can add here, and be ready. You can add comma separated. By default, it is going to take a comma separated. So no need to worry about those things. Okay, but remember, right now it works only for the Indian numbers. It works only for Indian numbers. So be ready with everything, and now click on send now. So let me open up this message. So here I should get message. So I'll just put up some dashes here so that you can see, like, below these dashes, I should get the message. The recording is going on. Yes. And click on send now. Take God's name and just wait here. Oh yes, you can see the message has been received. Okay, below dash message has been received. All the 4 images have been received. The video has been received. The PDF file also have been received. This is the power of communication, friend. Within no time, you are able to send the messages instantly. You are able to send the messages instantly. You can add maximum n number of files. Let me just check. I have to go to my mobile. And maybe I'll just check. Yes, it is working, friend. It has been sent to other numbers also. It has been sent to other numbers also. Okay, yeah. Anyway, trust me, I have seen it. Okay, so I'll be sharing account with you. So that's it. Maybe I took more time. Let me revise the steps again. Option sign out. So go to this URL, enter your username and password, and login. After login, save the password to Chrome. Easy to remember. Then second step is to scan your phone one time. it is already there. You can just check the status. Okay, it is one time activity. Next activity is just add the campaign name and enter the mobile number and paste the message and click on send now. So I'll again add up here a new message. So this should get sent here. You can see the message after this text message has been sent. Hope you're understanding. Okay, so main intention of this session is to help you how to log in, how to connect your mobile, and then how to send messages in one video. I hope it took almost 10 minutes. Yeah, you can watch this video again so that you can come to know everything in detail in one shot. Okay, wishing you all the great success. Thank you very much.